So it's one more week till the tournament. I look forward to seeing everybody. I pretty much got the lineup ready for you. So F14, well, that's right on cue. F14, Card Whiz, Black Belt, Power Play, Viper Night Driving, Steal Your Lunch Money. I mean, Lady Luck, Twilight Zone, Phoenix, High Speed, and back over there is its big brother, Getaway, High Speed 2. I got a couple more, and got a Corvette. This came in just to get fixed. It's fixed, so I think this will be in the tournament also. And then I have one more, and this, let's just say it's a Brian Carell special. Let me tell you, Brian Carell's a lot of things. He's really good at trivia. He does good pinball photos, and he hates Abracadabra. Nothing I can do about him. I can't make him like Abracadabra anymore, but maybe I can make him hate it a little less after playing this one. This one, this is the Brian Carell special. That's all. It's just going to be a secret. Y'all gonna have fun with it.